Hi, it's Joy. I have some updates for you for our Condo Community EV Charger project. The last time I updated you guys was at the beginning of the year in January. And basically, we got approved from our utilities company, Southern California Edison, to accept our Charge Ready rebate application. And they were moving our project to the final design phase. But then we didn't hear from them for a while, so I gave them a month. During the second week of February, I followed up with our Southern California Edison rep to find out where we are. And he told us that they're still finalizing the design plan. But to our surprise, last week we received an email from a geospatial company telling us that they were going to come on site for about 2 days and do a site survey. So I am showing you guys what's happened at the proposed EV charger site. Today is Thursday, February 23rd, and yesterday and the day before, we had a geospatial firm that came out and did a site survey. So there's finally progress on the community EV charging project. And I just talked to our office manager, and he told me that they made a bunch of markings, so I'm here checking it out. So it looks like they're marking all the way out here too, even though the charging stations or the ports will be over there. But this is where the power grid is. So Southern California Edison will need to upgrade and update this power source, this grid right here, which they also did a bunch of markings on, so that it will support 6 ports of Blink chargers. And yeah, I'm happy to see that this is finally, there's finally some movement, because this project has been ongoing. I proposed it in June 2021, so it's coming up 2 years very quickly. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. They marked all this, and I believe that this is all probably going to be gone. And they also need to get easement permit, I believe, is probably the next step after they're done with the survey report and making sure that everything is okay. But again, these two will be side by side EV charging / ADA compliant spaces. So this is all going to be gone. These 2 trees are going to be gone. This green area, they all have to become ADA compliant walkway for those 2. And then we'll have 4 ports with 2 dual chargers. Hi, Michael. You're on video. That's our manager. And so, yeah, they're marked all the way out here. All the way out, even though it's only going to affect this side and then these 2 spaces, for a total of 6 charging spaces for the Blink chargers. So yeah, they were here, they left their mark, and I'm hoping that there will be no more delays, and they will start this project soon, and that they'll get the easement permit pretty quickly. So again, another marking, more markings here. So yeah, this project is definitely moving along, and I am just thrilled. So yeah, they marked out all this side. So these are probably going to be Oh, this is probably going to be the easement, I'm thinking. And they'll probably need to do some trenching. That's probably why they marked out this alley all the way out. So finally, we're moving forward with this project with actual on-site activities. But this is still a long way from being completed. This is still at the very beginning stage of getting the chargers updated or installed, because our power company needs to first make this compatible and be able to handle the EV charging load. Pretty exciting stuff, right? Finally, after a year and a half of pushing this project, we finally had somebody come on site and did a site survey, and fingers crossed that the report will come out good, I guess, and that they will have no delay getting easement permit, and then they can schedule for the infrastructure upgrade. And then we can finally get the Blink chargers installed here on site. Thank you so very much for watching this update. I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed week.